Welcome. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to easily set up ChatGPT as an app on your Windows computer. Start by opening your favorite web browser and navigate to chatgpt.com. Click on the three dots or menu icon in the top right corner of your browser. In the drop-down menu, select the option Cast, Save, and Share. In this menu, you'll be able to click on Install Page as App. After we click this, a pop-up will appear asking if we want to install this page as an app. You can also give a custom name to the app. The ChatGPT app will open automatically after we click Install. Personally, I've pinned the app to my taskbar since I use it quite often. If you prefer to have it as a desktop shortcut, press the Windows key and then right-click ChatGPT, select Open File Location, then move the file to your desktop. You can now open ChatGPT from your desktop, start menu, or taskbar as if it were a regular application. Simple and convenient. Thanks for watching and enjoy using ChatGPT.